Are you trying to boost throttle response and smooth idling with a fuel injector cleaner? If you're overwhelmed by options, don't worry. I've got you covered with a quick, confident breakdown of the top picks. Today, I'm going to be going over the best fuel injector cleaner that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the AUTOOL Ultrasonic Fuel Injector Cleaner. AUTOOL Ultrasonic Fuel Injector Cleaner is presented as a bench-mounted cleaning system that brings ultrasonic power to bear on stuck injectors and the fuel rail. Inside the compact cabinet, you typically find a cleaning tank, a compatible cleaning solvent, an electronic control, a set of injector adapters, and a small pump that circulates solvent and bursts of ultrasonic energy through the tested components. Core idea is straightforward. Ultrasonic cavitation disrupts carbon buildup, varnish, and gum that accumulate on injector nozzles, seals, and associated hardware, so the spray pattern returns closer to its original, precise geometry. What makes this option stand out in a list like this is its emphasis on physical cleaning rather than purely chemical dilution. You can place individual injectors into the cleaning bath, wave the sonic energy through the entire assembly, and then inspect the nozzle openings for symmetry and spray distribution. Kit is designed to accommodate different injector shapes and sizes, with adaptable connectors that fit popular automotive brands and even some motorcycles and small engines. The result is a more thorough source of deposit removal than many tank additives can claim, especially when deposits have calcified to the nozzle exterior and inside the pintle seats. You gain a more consistent spray pattern, often reduced misfire events, and a noticeable improvement in throttle response once the injectors are returned to service. The use case is clear. Pull the injectors, submerge them in the solvent bath, run a dedicated cleaning cycle with the ultrasonic unit, and then reassemble. The benefits stack up across several fronts: deposit removal on the nozzle tips, restoration of spray angle, and easier restoration of proper balance between fuel and air at idle. That said, there are practical constraints. It requires explicit injector access and removal, which can be a hassle for a daily driver, and you need to stock the correct adapters to ensure a proper seal on your specific injectors. Price point sits higher than simple bottle additives, but the payoff is a deeper clean that can reveal a more consistent spray pattern than many chemical additives alone. Compared to the CMTOOL Fuel Injector Cleaner Kit, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the AUTOOL Ultrasonic Fuel Injector Cleaner uses ultrasonic clean. At number 4, we have the CMTOOL Fuel Injector Cleaner Kit. CMTOOL Fuel Injector Cleaner Kit is a modular all-in-one cleaning system designed to flush, soak, and spray injectors through an external setup that couples to the vehicle's fuel system. What you get with CMTOOL is a bundle of adapters, hoses, and fittings that cover a wide range of injector sizes and brands, plus a dedicated cleaning bottle or reservoir containing a concentrated solvent blend. The core advantage of a kit like this is versatility. You can connect the kit to the fuel rail, introduce a cleaning solution, and drive the engine to pass the solvent through each injector in turn. Some kits also enable bench testing with a flow-through stage, so you can observe spray behavior before reinstallation. The process typically involves removing the injectors or connecting through the rail, priming the system, and letting the cleaning solution carry away varnish and carbon while the engine is briefly run at a stable idle. You may see quicker throttle response and some reduction in rough idle after complete clean. The kit's strength lies in its adaptability across many injector geometries and car makes, offering a cost-effective option if you already have basic mechanical skills. The trade-off is that this is not a single bottle solution. You must manage the cleaning fluid, adapters, and sometimes the vehicle's fuel pressure while performing the clean, which adds steps compared to a simple pour-in treatment. Included hoses and fittings allow the flush to target the exact circuit your injector sits in, which helps reduce risk of cross-contamination between ports. Compared to the LUKASOIL 10003, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the CMTOOL kit emphasizes direct cleaning through adapters rather than a pure additive approach, and that difference can translate into a more tangible improvement for stubborn deposits. At number 3, we have the LUKASOIL 10003. LUKASOIL 10003 is a widely used fuel system cleaner and conditioner designed as a universal additive you pour into the fuel tank. The format is simple. Liquid concentrate engineered to mix with gasoline, travel through the fuel pump, pass through the fuel lines, and reach the injectors to dissolve varnish deposits and minor gum that restrict spray. The product claims benefits that include smoother idle, restored power delivery, and improved combustion efficiency by ensuring a more complete, even spray pattern. Formula typically includes a blend of cleaners and detergents chosen to address a broad spectrum of deposit types: fuel varnish on injector tips, port deposits, and even some intake valves, depending on engine design. One of the practical advantages of a concentrate like this is its ease of use. You simply top off a full tank with the appropriate dose or apply the exact measure per your manual. Then drive normally so the cleaner visits every corner of the system. The benefit profile often emphasizes fuel economy gains, reduced emissions, and a less abrupt engine response as fuel metering regains fidelity after cleaner action. Potential drawback is the reliance on the tank's dilution and the engine's ability to carry the cleaner through the system. In engines with severely clogged injectors, you may not see dramatic leaps without repeated use or combining with a targeted cleaning approach. Paired to the Gumout 500 and 10013 W6PK, which I have included as number 2 on this list, Lucas-Oil 10003 is a universal additive that treats the entire fuel path, while the Gumout line emphasizes a dedicated concentrated additive blend for regular top-offs and the occasional tank clean. At number 2, we have the Gumout 500 10013 W6PK. Gumout 500 10013 W6PK represents a popular multi-pack option for gasoline injector cleaning that blends a high value with a broad compatibility profile. The idea behind a 6-pack is to let you stage treatments across several refills, helping you tackle deposits gradually rather than all at once. The formula is designed to be poured into the fuel tank and circulated through the system during normal driving, so you get a series of clean events as you complete the rounds of doses. Gumout typically emphasizes polyethyramine and other detergents in its blend, which are known for breaking down varnishes and reducing sticky injector behavior. The result is an engine that feels smoother at acceleration, fewer misfires and mistimed pulses, and sometimes a measurable improvement in fuel economy after a handful of doses. Packaging and dosing guidance are user-friendly, making it a common choice for do-it-yourself maintenance without special tools. One potential limitation is that the effect is dependent on driving cycles. Cleaner can do its job best when it sees continuous fuel flow rather than short trips with long cooldowns. The 6-pack aspect is particularly appealing for owners who want to schedule a regular cleanup interval. Paired to the Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus, which I have included as number 1 on this list, Gumout offers a high value per bottle and broad solvent blend, but Techron is widely regarded for its strong overall system, cleaning reputation, and long track record in the field. At number 1, we have the Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus is one of the most recognizable fuel system cleaners in the market and is designed as a concentrated additive that travels through the fuel system with your gasoline. Formula blends a spectrum of detergents and cleaning agents to address carbon buildup on injectors, intake valves, and combustion chamber surfaces, offering a broad reach where a single bottle can impact multiple components. The practical usage pattern is straightforward. You add the specified amount to a full tank and then drive normally, allowing the cleaner to circulate with each fill as it cleans deposit surfaces progressively. Perceived benefits include smoother idle, improved acceleration, and a possible uptick in fuel economy over time as injector spray patterns are restored and deposits are reduced. Product's reputation has stood the test of time, which provides a degree of consumer confidence that the cleaner will perform as advertised across a wide range of vehicles. Pricing is typically favorable for a single bottle, and the versatility in usage makes it a common staple in many garages and home toolkits. The main caveat is that through-tank cleaners do not offer the same level of surface deposit disruption as bench or in-car ultrasonic methods, but the trade-off is convenience and minimal downtime. Paired to the AUTOOL Ultrasonic Fuel Injector Cleaner, which I have included as number 5 on this list, Techron Concentrate Plus cleans the entire fuel path through the fuel and does not require external hardware or disassembly, making it a go-to for many drivers seeking a simple yet effective maintenance step.